Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of my students. I hope you are doing great and feeling amazing and happy. Are you all happy? That's great. Now, just tell me, how have you started your day today? What did you do first in the morning? Yeah, you must have opened your eyes. And when you have opened your eyes, what was in front of you? Were you able to see everything clearly? That's great. Yeah, your family was in front of you. So you should be grateful for that. Are you being grateful daily, every single day? That's great. We should all be very grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala the moment we get up, the moment we start anything, when we look at ourselves, when we look at our family and everybody, we should be grateful every single time, right? That's great. So another beautiful day, another great present from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, a new day in our life, and we are here healthy and happy. Yeah. And we are going to start our day, and we're going to start it with our numeracy class. But before we're going to start our class, we'll just listen to a short poem in which we'll be learning months of the day, just like that, right? Okay. So just to give you a little fun, and you can dance on it if you want to. You can just stand up and move or shake your body a little, right? Okay, so that's great. So you can stand up. You want to get up, you can get up. You want to move, you can move, right? Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you now. Okay, I'll put the volume high. That's great. Here it is.
January, February, March, and April. These are the months of the year. May and June, July, and August. These are the months of the year. There are 12 months, come sing this song. There are 12 months, it won't take long. September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. I hope that now you can remember that these are the months of the year.
Yay! See, that was just a short video. We just wanted to move a little, maybe. Yeah, did you move a little? That's great. Okay, that's wonderful. So we are going to start our lecture today, and we have done up till M, right? So we will quickly revise that, what we have done up till now, right? And we started with this book, yeah, our alphabet, fun, A to M. And we have started from A, and we did till M. Yes, A to M. We did A till M, right? Now we will go on to the next one, right? But before that, we are just quickly, we're just going to revise that, all right? We started with letter A, and that was and. Remember? Yes. Then we did B, bird. Yes. Then we came up onto C, cup, right? And there are many other things which we have done. Then remember the dino, the green dino. Yay, the dino. Yes. Then we did elephant, elephant. Yes, A is for elephant. Then we did F, flower, flower, flowers, right? And we did G. We did G, grapes. Remember? Grapes. Guava. Yeah, right. Then we did H, house, home, happy, right? Okay, then we came up to I, eat, impala, remember? Ice cream, igloo, iguana, yeah, there's so much. It. Then we come up onto the J, 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 jelly, J, jellyfish, J, juice, J, jet, remember? Yes. Then after J, we came up to K, G, G, K, G. Yes. Kangaroo, koala. Yay. And then we did L. Ooh, 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 ooh. Now, remember, we did L. Ooh, lion. Yeah, lizard. Remember? Yes. And then the last one was M. Mm, right? Monkey. Mango. Yes. Mug. Yeah. So we did all that. Starts from mushroom. Yes, right? Okay. So we did up till M. And now we are going to just revise it, right? Okay. Now you are going to take out your page number 40. Yes. Take out your page number 40. Yes. Good, good, good. Quickly take a page number 40. Show me. Yes, you're on page number 40. Okay, now we are going to do this exercise on page number 40 that trace the letters from A to N first, right? You're going to trace all these alphabets, which you have done already. And then we are going to do a missing letter activity, right? Now, all of you, yes, come on, do this activity, Tracy. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, right? Now, pencils in your hand, sit properly, put your book flat on the table. Yes. And then start doing. Start doing. Okay. Do it slowly, comfortably, no hurry, right? I'm giving you a couple of minutes to finish that. Yeah, do it slowly, no hurry. Okay, have you all finished? Yeah? Okay, now show me. All of you, show me your book like this. Very good, excellent. Some of you have just went off the line, but try to be on the line, right? Because that's the perfect formation you're going to make. Okay, come on, that's great. That is great. So we are done with activity. Now we are going to do another activity. You are going to, I just want you to have a look at the picture and help me find the missing letters, right? Okay, I'm going to share a picture with you. Okay, now just have a look at this picture. Okay, see? Now, what you can see in the picture? Yeah, there are snails on the picture. Okay, and on the snail, there is an alphabet written, right? Now, which is the first alphabet you can see here? B, yes, then D, good, F, then H, J, L. Okay, right. So, but can you see that there are some of the alphabets which are missing? Have you noticed? Yes. We are going to start from which alphabet? Which is the first alphabet? Yes. The first alphabet is A. That is great. The first alphabet is A. Yes, right? Now you are all going to write A in the first circle, right? Okay, so you're not going to write, but you just have to guess that, right? A, B. Then what is the next alphabet which is missing? A, B, C. Yes. Then after C, which letter is written? D. Very good. And then after D, there is another letter missing. E. That's great. Then in the pink circle, what is it written? F. Then what is missing in the blue circle? G. Great. G. Then H. Then in the yellow circle, I. Yes. Then J. Then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, then K. Yes. J, K, then L. And then which is the last one? Yes. M. Yes. M. Very good. Very good. So you helped me find the missing letters. That's great. Fantastic. Okay, that's very good. Okay, now you're going to flip your book, right? You are in on page number 40. Now you're going to take out page number 41. Yes. Come up onto the page number 41. Yay. There is a train kind of going, and there are like arrows we're going to follow. A, then we'll go after A, then go like this, this, and we are going to finish on M. That's great. Okay. So everybody ready with your pencils? Are you sitting comfortably properly? Good. Okay, let's start with it. Okay. A. We have A written over here. Now what comes after A? Yes. What comes after A? B. Now you're going to write B over here. Small b, which we have practiced, which we have traced, and we have traced it right now, right? Okay, right? B, B, B. Right. Now what comes after B? C. That is great. After B comes C. Yes. Right? A, then B, and after B, C. So you're going to write C as the A written over here, right? You're going to write B, and then you're going to write C. Then what comes after C? D. Okay, come on, quickly write D on the car. Okay, now what comes after D? E. That's great. So write E, small e over here. Very good, very good. Then F, very good, F. G, good. Then H, very good. I, good, good. Quickly write it. Good. J, very good. Write J. Do you know how to write J? Yes, okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Then K, good, very good. Now write K, very nice. And then write, what comes after K? L, yay, that's great. Now again, come on guys. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, right? Okay, that's great. That is lovely, amazing, very, very, very good. Okay, now I am just going to show you another video that has missing letters from a word. You're just going to look at it and we are going to do it again, right? Do it in the next class, okay? So I just want you to have a look at that because when we're going to do it in the next class, you'll be ready for that, right? Okay, so I'm going to share that video with you. Yes, here comes the video. Play. Okay. Yes. So this is a sun, and there is one alphabet missing in sun, right? Yeah. Star. The missing letter is going there to make the word star. Bird. Bird. Right? Bird. Balloon. There was one O missing from the balloon. Dog. Dog. Yay, dog. Okay, right? So we are done here. Very good. See, so this exercise is like a little of your thinking, and you are going to, because we are going to make words, right? And then we have to fill in the missing letters from the words. But right now we have just done alphabets. Okay. So this was our literacy class today, and I'm going to say goodbye from this class now, and I'm going to see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe, be happy, be grateful, right? Okay, and spread happiness. Now I'm going to say goodbye. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.